Point number 6. Woohoo! Did you know that public restrooms in Italy is not free? There is a fee of €1.50 to use public toilets. So if you I just wanted to bring that to your attention. That seemed weird and unusual because in the United States, most places you can just walk in. You can walk into places you do no business with, and they allow you to use their restroom. For majority of places, but in Europe, public toilets are not free. Keep that in mind. It's $1.50 to use the bathroom if you have to go. The other way to get around that, if you have to go to the bathroom and you don't want to spend $1.50 to go, you can go into a restaurant and purchase a soda, and then maybe they'll let you use their restroom. Most of the restaurants, they will tell you our restroom is for customers only. So if you're not purchasing anything, I don't care if you're about to wet your pants, they're not letting you use they're not going to let you use their restroom. So just keep that in mind. There is a fee to use the public toilets in Italy.